Hello, Facebook Live. Marcus here. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. It is Monday the 30th, I think. 30th, yep, November 30th. A little late today getting my live in. I've been super busy. Monday, it's order day, it's inventory day, it's beginning of our week here, office work and stuff. So Mondays keeps me very busy. I was able to go out for my run. I was able to go out for my run really first thing this morning before it even started raining. I did get caught in the last mile, a little bit of rain, but man, it is miserable out now. So, I want to talk about Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday, big Cyber Monday deal. Jamie's going to drop the link for that where you can go on. If you're on our email list and you got an email today for a Cyber Monday deal, it's a great deal on gift cards. It's our best deal on gift cards. Limit two per person is the deal with the gift cards. If you go to our website, there's a link there. When Jamie's on, she's going to drop the link. It is a super amazing deal. That's our best deal on gift cards all year. Let's see. We're also doing these gift baskets. So if you're tuning in live, by the way, drop a comment, #live. It's on the replay, #replay. Let's see. So we are making gift baskets. There's a solo bottle of Prosecco. There's a solo bottle of bourbon. Keep in mind, you have to purchase food when you buy alcohol to go. There's a beer one there, two bourbon aged beers in there from the brewery. We have a Three Philosophers one with 3 different vintages of Three Philosophers. There's a food one with organic olive oil, cherry tomatoes and campagna, pasta from Italy, Vincoto, truffle oil. There's some food ones. There's some combination of food and wine. So we got a lot of cool gift baskets that we're putting together. So it's our Cyber Monday deal. Jamie just dropped the link. It's from the Aroma Time account. There's a link on there to chefOnAmission.com/gift-card-sale.html. If you go to that link right there, you can get an amazing deal on gift cards. Today only is the day for Cyber Monday gift cards. Today only. That'll be taken down later tonight about midnight. I wanted to limit it to the first 200 people, and we've sold a lot. We've actually had to up the quantity already for gift cards. We've sold a lot of gift cards today. So thank you everybody very much. We appreciate the support on the gift cards. A lot of people buy the gift cards for themselves, to use them themselves. You can do them for yourself. You can give this to somebody. They are worth full value. It's not some kind of promotional gift card or anything like that. It is a real gift card. It is a great deal. It's happening today, Cyber Monday. It's our Cyber Monday deal every week. Oh, somebody else just bought a gift card, just got the notification on email. So if you're tuning in live, drop a comment, #live. If it's on the replay, #replay. Thanks for tuning in. If you're on Facebook, we're doing this live. If you're on YouTube, it's probably going to be published too late. The deal's over. So if you're watching on YouTube, I apologize. The deal is probably over. The YouTube gets a lag time. We download it and do a little bit of editing and upload it to YouTube a day later. So apologize for that. But you can get a gift basket if you're watching on YouTube. We still do the gift baskets, and that's possible. And we can do custom gift baskets. If you tell us you wanted 2 bottles of Chardonnay and a thing of pasta or whatever, you just pick the ingredients. We will do a custom gift basket for you. There is super easy for us to do. We have everything here. If you wanted one with just oils in it, like truffle oil, extra virgin olive oil, early harvest oil, olive oil, stuff like that, we have the capabilities of doing that. If you want to add some high quality salt in there, whatever you want to do. If you want to add, a balsamic vinegar one, we can do like 3 amazing balsamic vinegars, like a really authentic, the $100 bottle, the small bottle, and then Vincoto, and then an olive oil, balsamic glaze. So we can do all kinds of things. If you see anything on the shelf here that you want to add in, you just ask us, and that's it. So I'm looking now on Facebook. Looks like Facebook is moving over to Instagram soon, and I can bring anybody on camera, which is really cool. So I've been waiting for Facebook to do this, and I see this for the first time popping up today, because I want to do some Facebook Lives with some more winemakers and olive oil producers and people that are farmers and things like that, and vineyard owners, and I want to do more Facebook Lives with that aspect. And it's really nice that I can bring any of you on camera right now, so we can schedule some guests in. So that's really great. I guess you have to be watching on something that you're capable of being brought in on. So that's really cool. So stay tuned for more of that. Instagram has allowed that for a while, so that's really cool. So hi Deborah, hi Thomas, Josephine, hello everybody who's tuning in. Allison, a bunch of other people tuning in, so thank you very much. Hi Mark, Christine. Cyber Monday deal, go to our website. Jamie dropped the link, aromatimebistro.com, or I'm sorry, the Aromatime Bistro account. Jamie's on that account. She dropped it for chefonamission.com/gift card sale. That's on there, .html. So go follow that link, get the gift cards. Great deal today. And that's it. Tonight is wing night. Buy one, get one wings. Buy one, get one. We just smoked 80 pounds of wings yesterday for tonight. 80 pounds of organic chicken wings. We increased the portion size of our wings this year, and we went to an organic source, all for the same price. When this happened, when COVID happened, we were able to negotiate a great price with an organic farm so we can do organic wings. So that's the deal with our wings this year. And as long as they're able to do that at that price, we're able to keep doing organic. And I think that's it. I'll talk to everybody later. We're planning our next wine dinner. And if you want to do a holiday party, Tuesday and Wednesday nights are the nights you can have the place to yourself. I've been talking about our new project, our catering space, Airbnb complex that we have, this beautiful house just a few minutes from here, that could easily do great holiday parties in midweeks. The house is eventually going to, when it's all said and done, when we get the theater done and the outdoor pool done, when you get everything done, it's going to easily go for $10,000 a weekend, this house. It's a beautiful, beautiful house. But right now we don't have all the amenities set up yet. It does have 7 bedrooms and sleeps 22 people or so. But we don't have the theater set up or the in-ground pool set up yet. So once all that's in place, that house is going to get probably about $10,000 a weekend, $9,000 a weekend. That's what the comparable houses are getting for that. But in the meantime, during the week and stuff, we can easily do some parties there. We can host parties there. So we can, there's a lot of space if you want to have a holiday party there. Lots of dining room tables, big open area, big open expedition kitchen. It's really such a beautiful property. So stay tuned for that. If you want to book a private party, we can do that. It has to be during the week at that property, because on weekends it's being rented out. We have people that are coming in this upcoming weekend to rent it out, so that's really cool. So if you have a holiday company party and it's 10 people, 20 people, and even 25 people, we can 20, even 30 people, we can do stuff. We have lots and lots of room there, so plenty of room, lots of parking. It's a great property, a few minutes from here. So if you know anybody, if you need a holiday party, we can easily do that in that space. And on a Tuesday or Wednesday night, we can do it in this space here. So if you have 20 people, the space is yours for the night, basically, here in the restaurant. It's your place Tuesday or Wednesday nights. And that's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Jamie will be on. I didn't realize it was 3 o'clock already. Jamie will be on about an hour doing her happy hour live with Jamie. I'm not sure what she's making today, drink-wise, but she will concoct something. If you have any requests, she loves requests. And that's it, folks. Have an amazing day. Hope to see you soon. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving, safe Thanksgiving, and that's it. Talk to everybody later.